Hello friends, back with another video. This is the Qubo BikeCam Pro handlebar accessory I got from Amazon. This is sold by Qubo as an accessory to their BikeCam Pro. Unfortunately, Qubo BikeCam can only be mounted on top of this clip. It won't switch on unless you put the camera on top of this clip sliding. So that's the only option to work this camera. The camera comes with a pasting clip in the box. This you can buy as an accessory. This costs around $7.99. You can find this in the Qubo website and in Amazon. In Amazon, it is out of stock. I will leave the link in the description. It might come back in stock soon. I got this from Amazon. I thought I can do a workaround with this. Luckily, I was able to do a workaround. So let's go and check the original mounting clip which comes with the box. You can paste it over your helmet or paste it on top of a scooter handlebar. Bike handlebar, it is difficult mainly because in the bike handlebar, you don't have the space to put this, paste the pasting clip. Because if you look at my Suzuki V-Strom, simply there is not enough space. And unlike the BMW high-end series where they got space between the helmet and the fairings, this you cannot mount a pasting clip. So for this bikes, you need this mounting clip. This is supposed to be a mirror mounting clip. You are unable to use this because with the mirror, this happens. The mirror interferes with this clip and you can't mount it like this because the camera goes other way around and it's difficult for you to mount it this way as well. So to mount this, you need to get this clip. Luckily, this clip can be removed. This is like a GoPro clip and you can put it on top of the GoPro mounting you have in your motorbike. So with this, it's not an easy task. As you can see, mirror interferes and camera position cannot be achieved. But luckily, if you get a hex range, you can remove this and you can put this clip over the GoPro mounting. So let's go and check whether we can do that. Using the hex range, I'm going to remove the screw and I'll show you how I'm going to fit the top clip on the GoPro mounting in my motorbike. Removing this. Done. The clip comes off. So as you can see, this now works over any GoPro mount. So you buy this, take it off using a hex wrench, take the screw off, and then you take it to your bike GoPro mounting. Okay, done. Why this is a great option? Mainly because with the pasting clip mount, you can use it only once, either over your helmet or your bike fixed area. Most of the bikes don't have it. Using this, you can take it anywhere, mount it anywhere. You have the pasting clip with you, so your helmet mounting is fine. Extra one for $7.99, a little bit costly. And the Cubo cameras, bike cameras only work on top of this clip, switches on only with on top of this clip. So buying this is a good option, and this is the workaround I found. Now I will show you how I mount my camera on this. Cameras here. Let's mount. Done. See, works perfectly. Switched on. So this is a great utility mount you get from Qubo. So buy this and use it, mainly because you have a pasting clip, permanent one, and you got this clip which you can use for your purpose. And this BikeCam, Qubo BikeCam Pro is a very good product for the price. The quality is absolutely fine for $3,990, and for the extra price of around $799, which costs something around $4,700, with this mount and the Cubo Cam, it works very well for your motorbike. I give this product a 9 out of 10 because of the quality. The battery lasts for some time, around 4 to 6 hours. The quality is absolutely fine for the price. There is a little bit of stabilization issues, but with this price, that is absolutely fine. You're only using this as a dash cam, not as a GoPro or a DJI. So for the price, you will not get any other bike camera in India, bike cam in India. All the bike cams in India are coming from China, 2 cameras, lots of wiring, and you need to connect it to the battery and all. This is independent of all those things. Inbuilt battery, great app. You can download stuff if you want. And, with 2 mounts, this is really a gorgeous product. So I'll leave the link in the description for this product. And I will definitely recommend the Qubo BikeCam Pro because I was looking for such a product in India, and first time Qubo launched something what I wanted, and the pricing is absolutely fine for me. So I'm very happy with this mounting this on my bike. This will provide a great security tool for me. I can just put it on and will record, and I don't have to worry about switching on and off, and I'll get all the footage I wanted. So that's it, friends. I thought I'll upload this video. It will help most of the people who are looking for a bike cam. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.